talk on me on for so long, too long.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well as showing you guys how to turn your phone into a monitor. So I previously recorded how to turn your camera into a monitor and into a viewfinder. If you haven't checked that out, I'm going to link it up right here or here for you to check it out. So but today we're going to be turning our phone into a monitor, into a viewfinder. For those of you that don't have laptop, I got you covered. Today's video is for you. Let's get into the video. First thing you're going to do is to download the Canon Mobile Connect. You're going to be downloading the Canon Mobile Connect. So I already have it downloaded on my phone. This is it right here. This is it right here. So all you need to do is to go to the your mobile app, your app store. Then here you type the Canon. You click, let's see this. You see you have it right here, the first one on the list. I already have it downloaded. If you don't have it on your phone, all you need to do is to just download it. So I already have it downloaded. All you need to do is to get your camera. You click on the menu button to turn it on. You come to your function settings. You click OK. Wireless communication settings, you click it. Set your Wi-Fi to enable your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, then you go back, come down to function, select your function. So the first option is to connect to your laptop, but we're not going to be connecting to our laptop today. We're going to be connecting to our phone. Sorry, we're going to be connecting to our phone. So here you have the options. The first one is to connect to another camera. The second one is to connect to your phone. The third one to connect to your laptop. Then this one right here is to connect to web, and then this one to print. So we're going to be connecting to our phone here. So we're going to be choosing the second option. As soon as you click it, this to create a connection with a phone. So it has established a connection. So the next thing, you're going to go over to your phone and make sure you connect to that network. You're going to put on your Wi-Fi. Let me long press on camera. I'm going to long press. So this is it. So it's going to connect automatically to the network that the see, they have the same network. It's going to connect automatically. Once you connect to it, then you go over to your phone and launch the Canon app. As soon as you launch the Canon app, it will tell you connection established as soon as you on the Canon app on your mobile phone. Then this is how it looks like on your mobile phone. So if you need to view the pictures on your camera, you click this first one here. You click the first one here if you need to view the pictures on your camera, and if you need to turn it into a viewfinder, you click on this one. This is what the interface looks like right now. I'm going to film on myself. Hey guys, so this is how to turn your camera into, this is how to turn your phone into a viewfinder. Just follow these steps. All you need to do is just to turn on your Wi-Fi on your camera, then come to your phone, connect to that camera, connect to that connection through Wi-Fi. As soon as they're on the same Wi-Fi connection, it will tell you that connection has been established, and as soon as it's established, this interface is going to show. Then you can do whatever you want to do via here. You can increase your aperture here, your f-stop here, You can increase it here, you can reduce it here, you can take it to 100 here. And if you want to increase your ISO, hope it's showing. You click your ISO here and take it all the way to 160. You can see it's a little bit clearer. Go to 320, it's much better. Back to 160. So whatever you want to do, you can do it through your viewfinder. So this is how to turn your camera, this is how to turn your phone into a viewfinder. So please like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and comment orange down below so that I know you watched up to the end. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Stay safe.